Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 local security authority protection is off and restart message is coming up. Let's fix it guys. This video will apply only to Windows 11 and the problems you are facing is you can't turn on the local authority protection. In this video I show you guys how to fix the issue. Let's jump straight into it. Go to search menu and type registry. Click on open it guys. Click on yes. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the system and expand the current control set. Expand the control and now search for LSA. Click on the LSA local security authority LSA. On right side you just need to create two values guys. For that right click on the blank area and select new. Select devote 32-bit value. Name this value as run. R caps letter RUN, A caps letter AS, PPL caps letter guys. Press enter. Now double click on it. Value data to 2. After changing it, click on OK. Now you just need to create another value guys. For that right click on the blank area, select new, select devote 32-bit value. Name this value as run. R caps letter RUN, A caps letter AS, PPL caps letter B caps letter BOOT. Press enter. Now double click on it. Value data change to 2 and click OK. Now close out of here. Now for changes take effect, you just need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you guys, don't forget to like the video and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.